Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox Quick Sign In. First, ensure you have one device where you are already logged into your Roblox account. This convenient method allows you to seamlessly sign into additional devices, completely bypassing the need to remember or type your password on those new machines. It truly streamlines your access, making logging in significantly quicker and more secure for everyone. This is the only way. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Roblox account on a device you use regularly, like your phone or home computer. On the new device, navigate to the Roblox application or website login page. Here, instead of entering your username and password, simply select the prominent Quick Sign In button or link. This initial step prepares the new device for connection. Once you select Quick Sign In on your new device, a special 6-digit code will immediately appear on its screen. This code is unique to your login attempt and remains active for only a brief duration, usually around 5 minutes. Do not close this screen or navigate away. You will need to keep this specific code visible for the very next action. Now, switch to your trusted device, the one where you are already logged into Roblox. Open any web browser on that device and type in the address Roblox. com/quicklogin. You will find a prompt to enter the 6-digit code currently visible on your new device. Carefully input that code, then confirm the login request to securely connect.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.